You're about to waste time unless you know this. Highlighting text takes one click. That's it. There's a faster way, and it's already on your screen. No menus, no settings, just this icon. Once you see this, you'll never search again. If you just want to highlight text as fast as possible in OpenOffice Writer, this is the method. No setup, no extra steps. Here's what most people miss. The highlight tool is already on the toolbar. You don't need menus. You don't need formatting panels. Watch closely. Select your text. One click on the highlight icon. That's it. Text highlighted. For speed, leave your highlight color set. Every click after that uses the same color instantly. That's the fastest highlight method in OpenOffice Writer. If you want more quick wins like this, I keep beginner-friendly OpenOffice resources linked around this video. One icon, one click, you're done. If this saved you time, like the video and subscribe for more no-nonsense OpenOffice guides. That's the whole thing.